We are born innocent, not knowing how to live, not knowing how to choose, and sometimes the decisions we make carry consequences we never imagine. But no matter who you are, no matter where you stand in this life, let your today be better than yesterday. Our minds overflow with imagination, wishes, and desire. Sometimes the young call it dreams, but dreams without action remain empty illusions. If you want today to be greater, don't spend 24 hours just dreaming. Wake up and build it. Invest your time wisely. Keep learning. Keep growing. Keep spreading happiness. Every small improvement adds up to a better life. As humans, we make choices to satisfy our needs, from food and shelter to recognition and belongingness to the pursuit of our purpose. Sometimes the outcomes are beautiful, but sometimes they leave us with regrets and self-blame. Yet, this is life, and life itself is the greatest teacher. So, learn from every mistake, every failure, every unpleasant thing. Never repeat the same errors. Be hopeful. Be grateful for the gift of life and sanity, because gratitude itself makes today better than yesterday. We all desire healthy living, free from pain, diseases, and misery, but often we rob ourselves by living carelessly. Low income doesn't mean a low life. Skipping meal, not practicing hygiene, living on junks, refusing exercise, they discount your health. Discipline your mind to enjoy freedom. Spend wisely. Eat healthy. Move your body upright. And above all, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Yes, sometimes you may ask yourself, why was I born into this family? Why this society? But remember, complaints never change anything. Your background is not a barrier. It is a challenge. Rise above it. Go beyond limits. Be the one who will write your family story for good. Let your today speak louder, shine brighter, and live better than yesterday. Don't let yesterday chain you. Don't let regrets hold you hostage. You have the power to start again, to make better choices, to create a tomorrow you'll be proud of. So wake up with determination, act with discipline, live with gratitude, and above all, let your today be better than yesterday.